Class 9th Physical Activity Trainer with Voice Unit 3 Organizing Age-Appropriate Physical Activities.
Welcome to my channel Class Winners Books.
Unit 3 Organizing Age-Appropriate Physical Activities. Everyday games and sports activities. Picking the right activities for children is key for both their health and enjoyment. Common games such as running, tag, hopping, and kicking balls help develop basic movement skills, coordination, and strength. These simple games are perfect for daily routines at home or school and can be adapted for all age groups. Team sports like soccer, basketball, and tennis teach endurance, teamwork, and rules while also providing vigorous exercise and opportunities to socialize. Schools ideally offer a sports period every day, but most schedule to structured sports periods a week, balancing fitness with academic priorities and facility limits. Types of fitness activities. Fitness builds overall health and sets lifelong habits. Activities are divided into several categories. Cardiovascular activities like running, cycling, swimming, and jump rope boost heart and lung health, endurance, and burn calories. Swimming stands out for being gentle on joints while providing a full-body workout. Cardio can be tailored to any fitness level. Strength training, weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, push-ups, squats, lunges, resistance bands, and functional movements develop muscle mass, bone strength, and stability. Exercises range from simple squats to advanced full-body lifts. Flexibility and mobility, yoga and pilates improve balance, mobility, core strength, and relieve stress. Regular stretching increases range of motion and reduces injury risk, ideal for warm-ups and cool-downs. Height, high-intensity interval training, short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest, including formats like Tabata, boot camps, and circuit training. Height improves cardiovascular fitness and muscular endurance in less time. Group fitness classes. Zumba combines dance and cardio with Latin music, making exercise fun. Other classes, spinning, boxing, or kickboxing, create motivation through group energy and instruction. Outdoor activities, hiking and trail running challenge endurance and balance outdoors. Kayaking and canoeing build upper body strength and provide new scenery. Mind-body exercises, Tai Chi and Qi Gong use slow, controlled motion and meditation to relax, build balance, and mental focus. Meditation practices lower stress and boost well-being. Active recreation, dancing, class or casual, rock climbing, and ultimate frisbee add fun, teamwork, and skill building. These encourage socialization while improving physical fitness. Personalized programs, personal trainers can craft customized workouts to suit each child's needs, fitness level, and goals. Online workouts add flexibility and variety. Recreational sports, tennis and basketball improve agility, coordination, and fitness during play. Soccer enhances speed, teamwork, and cardiovascular health. Adaptive inclusive fitness, chair exercises, and water aerobics include all abilities, benefiting those with limited mobility or joint pain. Active daily living, everyday choices like brisk walking, climbing stairs, and short movement breaks contribute to a healthy lifestyle. Specific sports training. Sports training improves performance in a specific game. Soccer, practice agility, cones and ladders, lower body strength, squats, lunges, technical drills, passing, shooting, and endurance, interval running. Basketball, jump training builds explosive power, footwork and defensive slides refine skills. Shooting drills and court sprints build accuracy and stamina. Tennis, footwork, stroke, forehand backhand, core and rotational power, and match practice, sets, tie breaks, enhance skill and resilience. Swimming, focus on stroke technique, breathing patterns, endurance swims, dryland strength exercises, and quick starts turns. Track and field, sprint drills, jumping technique, throwing mechanics for shot put, javelin, discus, and distance runs are essential. Cricket, batting and bowling sessions, fielding practice for reflexes, and match simulations help build tactical awareness. Volleyball, setting, hitting, blocking, and serve-receive drills teach skill and teamwork. Other sports, including badminton, agility, strokes, doubles strategy, and table tennis, footwork, stroke, tactical and reaction drills, provide variety and skill enhancement. Equestrian, dressage, jumping, cross-country, and conditioning build horse rider teamwork and competition readiness. Sports periods and sample timetables. Regular sports periods ensure consistent physical activity. Timetables often vary by school, age group, and season. A typical weekly structure includes different activities, with options to adjust for available space, resources, and student interests, ensuring a balanced sports academic schedule. Games for skill development. Games with simple rules build foundational skills. Running helps leg strength and rhythm. Popular structured games. Running activities use cones and hoops to create paths, stations, and freeze-run games based on signals. Incorporate music for added fun, similar to musical chairs. Hopping and jumping. Practice hopping on markers, jumping over low obstacles, and landing with control and accuracy. These improve muscle power and rhythm. Skipping. Use ropes for skipping, alternating legs to develop balance and coordination. Balancing. Walk on marked paths or beams, balancing beanbags on different body parts. Pretend games, like bridges, add imagination and challenge. Coordination. Use balls and cones for targeted kicking, short and long distance accuracy, and goal-making games. Organizing school sports events and days. School sports events, especially Sports Day, require careful planning. Preparation. Set agenda, assign duties, invite guest speakers and parents, select athletes, prepare mass drills, manage facilities and equipment, and organize invitations. Sports Day execution. Manage activities with a detailed schedule, checklists, proper rehearsals, and clear communication. Events include opening ceremonies, parade march past, competitions, fun games, and prize ceremonies. Post-event wrap-up, collect props, clean up, prepare reports, settle expenses, and hold feedback meetings to improve future planning. Sample Sports Day schedule. Opening ceremony, assembly, speeches, lighting torch. Parade march past. Main sports events, races, team games. Mass drills displays. Prize distribution and closing remarks. Camps and tournaments. Summer camps, activities such as yoga, skill games, teamwork challenges, and fun sports keep children active, help build friendships, and instill good habits, especially during school breaks. Winter camps. Indoor and outdoor games, target activities, yoga, pretend play, maintain fitness and keep children engaged during vacations. Tournaments, multiple formats, single-double elimination, round-robin, knockout, Swiss system, provide competition and skill development. Proper organization involves scheduling, rules, venue preparation, official management, promotion, scorekeeping, and awards. Mass drills and displays. Mass drills, parachute, dumbbell, ribbon, Zumba, yoga, require coordination and group practice. These displays promote teamwork, discipline, and school spirit, often being highlights during Sports Day celebrations. Parent and staff engagement programs. Engaging families promotes a supportive community. Special days, events for mothers, fathers, Grandparents' Day involve crafts, performances, and parent-child games, strengthening bonds. Play dates and match days, parents can join informal games or cheer for their children, fostering community and school connections. Differentiating key concepts. Aspect fitness activities sports training. Objective health, well-being skill and performance. Activities cardio, strength, flexibility drills, tactics, technique. Focus general health sport-specific abilities. Benefit disease prevention, mood competitive advantage. Examples running, yoga, swimming soccer, basketball drills. Planning events, sports day versus tournament. Aspect sports day tournament. Planning set date, events, venue, roles schedule, structure, compliance. Logistics equipment, seating, refreshments sport equipment, officials. Participants school students, houses classes teams individuals, external. Awards medals, certificates, trophies, individual awards. Audience parents, teachers, students broader spectator group. Objective celebrate teamwork, health determine best competitors. Freehand mass drill exercises, examples. Jumping jacks. Squats. Lunges. Arm circles. Push-ups. Sit-ups. Key points for age-appropriate activities. Designing activities for different ages ensures safety, engagement, and skill development. Teachers, students, and staff all share roles, organizing, participating, supervising, leading, and promoting positive attitudes. Subjective, assertion reasoning, and MCQ examples. Fitness programs benefit both body and mind, promoting teamwork, discipline, and community. Having a variety of activities supports development and reduces risk of boredom or injury. Age-appropriate, inclusive planning addresses different stages of child growth and diverse capabilities. Regular physical activity can improve academic performance by boosting cognitive function and reducing stress.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Class Winner Books.